Hi, my name is Sansuki. I am from KVCRPF Barkers, Hyderabad. Today I am going to explain how terrace gardening is done. This is a step towards sustainable development. In everyone have one big question called known as how plants are grown in terrace. Terrace gardening is nothing but growing plants on terrace. In this terrace gardening, we can use plastic, we can use plastic tubs, etc. for gardening. For gardening, we can use any plastic things. In this, plastic is not good for health. So that we have developed we have thought one more method called grow bags. These grow bags are organic and will decompose in soil if they are gone. In some time period, they will be dead. The microorganisms in grow bag will dead and has been decomposed in soil. These grow bags are nothing but good and useful for terrace gardening. Every grow bag will be like this. In this grow bag, it can load up to any cages. We can grow plants easily in this grow bag. The extra water will be outed from this side. Now everyone have one more question called as how the soil will be fertile if we use only one type of soil. For this we are using compost. Compost is nothing but kitchen waste. In kitchen every day we will get so much dirt, so much waste, which is called as vegetable peels, fruit peels, and dead microorganism fruits, etc. In compost we use kitchen waste as a fertile for the soil. In this we have 5 steps. First step is called as first step. In the come on, I'll show you the first step to fifth step. This is the kitchen waste.
First stage.
This is the first stage. This is the kitchen waste. This is called as the first stage. These both are the first stage only. We take the kitchen waste and we dump it into the one bin and we add some water to it because the waste should be moist every time. And now this is the first step of the kitchen waste. This is not waste, it is a fertilizer for plants. In this we add water because the waste should be moist every time. Then only the microorganisms will eat that and make it into the fertilizer. And now I am going to show you the second step of the fertilizer, compost. And also this water is not a waste. We can use that water as a daily need for the plants. This is the second step of the compost. This will turn like this after 2 weeks. We'll add so much water to it, and then it will be like liquidized, semi-solid. And now this is the third stage of that compost. This is the third stage of compost. After the all water dried, it will become like one clay. That is the third step of that compost. And now this is the fourth step of the compost. For that clay, we'll let the clay remain under the water and we'll add all water upper side. And this is the last step of the compost. We'll let that water dry and throw the clay under the sunlight. The sunlight makes all of the clay into the solid, and that will become like a soil. We add this soil and some normal soil. We'll mix both of them and make a fertile soil like this. These all plants are made like this only. This is a fertile, good for plants, good for health. there will be no waste in every house. This is a step towards sustainable development. This is haldi. You can see this in this fertile soil how haldi is going and this is sugar cane. Everyone will think that these plants are only grown on the soil. No, it can grown on the terrace also. Now I am going to show you what is bonsai. The big plants like imli, tamarind, that plants are not grown in, everyone think that not grown in this terrace garden, grow bags. We can make them bonsai like this. This is called as bonsai, in which the plant is, the big plants are grown in one small pits. This is a tamarind, which is in roadside grown in big plants. Now we made it small like this. This is pineapple. You can see that how nice that they all are growing on this terrace. Thank you.